Hi, today I'm front of me ZTE Blade V40s and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel here, and if you want to add some icons or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon. And after that we can see here this down section with this invisible icons. For example, let's imagine that we want to add the power saver mode here, so just hold it and after that drag it to this up section. By the same way we can add here more of these icons by the same way. To remove some of the icons from here, you should by the same way hold it and then just drag it to this down section. And to change the positions of the icons here, you should just hold and after that just drag it. So as you can see, that's so simple. Just let's use the Wi-Fi, like the first icon, then the airplane mode, the Bluetooth, flashlight, and then just go back to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.